guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing yet another Amazon haul, and this time I shopped for a lot of sportswear products. So I bought t-shirts, track pants, sports bra, etc. from Amazon because Amazon is currently running their Great Republic Day sale where they're offering amazing discounts and amazing deals on fashion and beauty items. So I highly recommend you shop for all of your favorite products from Amazon because the prices are going to be unbelievable. The discounts are so insane that you're going to be able to save a lot of money if you like take advantage of their Great Republic Day sale. So I shopped for all of these items from Amazon. They arrived in these packages and I'm yet to open all of them. So let's do the unboxing together. So the first product is this t-shirt that I got from Puma, and it's got this classic Puma logo on the front. And this is in a black color. I love wearing black to the gym for a walk, and like especially while I'm working out. I love wearing black because I feel like it makes me look a size down, and that's the best part about it. And the material of this is like really soft. It feels really nice and cozy against the skin, and it's from Puma, so you don't have to worry about the quality. The quality is good. And yeah, I got this for a really great deal from Amazon, so I'm really happy with this. The second t-shirt is this tie-dye print one. I love the color. The color is so pretty. It's so bright. And this is in a nylon sort of a material that usually people wear to the gym. It's not gonna like absorb the sweat, but it's not even gonna look sweaty or anything. It's not gonna make you look all wet while you sweat. So that is the best part about this material, and the material is really soft. It feels so good against the skin, and I absolutely love the color, the print and everything. I think it looks so pretty. Next up is another t-shirt, and I really like the color of this. It's got this avocado print going on, and the material of this is cotton. It's nice, it's soft, and it's really thick. So if you're into wearing like thick materials, if you don't like wearing thin sheer materials, then you should really opt for this one because it's a very nice, a very good quality thick material. And yeah, I think overall it looks really cute. And this is the last t-shirt that I got. It's in a very bright pink color, and it's got this Om print going on the front with a man doing yoga. I think this looks so cool. I am definitely going to be wearing this while doing yoga because it just gives me those vibes. It just makes me feel motivated to wear this and do yoga. So I think I'm going to keep it for as my yoga tee. And the material of this is also soft. It's really thick. It's not one of those thin materials. It's really nice and thick and good quality. So yeah, if you're looking for a thick soft t-shirt, then I highly recommend this one. Also, this was available in a lot of colors, so you can select whatever color you like. So those were all of the t-shirts. Now moving on to sports bra. The first one that I have is by Van Heusen, and that is how it looks like. That is how the sports bra looks like, and I really love the color combination that's going on. The peach and the blue, they look so good together. And it's also got these hooks on the back. It is mildly padded, and it's slightly stretchable as well. And the best part is that it's got these I don't know what you call it, but the stitch that's there like on both of the sides to give you like that extra support. It's got that, so it's gonna give you that support. It's gonna make sure that your boobies stay in place, and they're not like all over the place while you're working out. So I think yeah, this seems like good quality sports bra. The material is also really nice. It feels really good on the skin, feels very comfortable. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to like wear this. Next up we have two track pants. The first one is in this olive green color, and it's got this black strips going on the sides, and these are a pair of joggers. And the best part about this is that it's got multiple pockets. So firstly, it has this one pocket over here, and then it has this tiny zip wala pocket. On the other side, it has this full size zip wala pocket. And at the back again, it's got a pocket on this side. It has an elastic as well as these tie-ups, so you can easily adjust the size. And yeah, the material is of really good quality. It feels like a really thick, warm material, something that's like very comfortable. So I think I'm gonna wear this like during the winters while working out. This is what the second pair of track pants look like, and I really like the color. I really love the combination of blue and navy blue. So it's also got this elastic and these tie-up knots, and it's got the same pocket style, like a huge pocket here with a tiny pocket and a zip, and a zip wala big size pocket over here. And at the back again, it's got this pocket, and these are again a pair of joggers. The material is again really nice, really soft, but it's not as thick as the previous one. The material on this is like thicker, but this is like slightly thinner, so I think this can be worn like throughout the year while working out. So yeah, those are all of the sportswear items that I ordered from Amazon. I highly recommend you take advantage of Amazon Great Republic Day sale. The discounts, the offers, the deals, they are all amazing, and you're going to be able to save a lot of money if you shop from Amazon Great Republic Day sale. The prices are very competitive, so I highly recommend you check out Amazon sale. And in case if you want to check out any of the products that I purchased, then the links to purchase them is mentioned in the description box below. I'm really looking forward to try all of these products out and finally wear them and work out, because they're just motivating me, they're just calling out my name. Shopping for sportswear is the best motivator ever, that is what I think, because I just want to wear these clothes and start working out. It's just like pushing me to go and work out. That's just how it works for me. Let me know if like you are the same as me. And yeah, that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.